hindi tayo makakapag-init doon. Kasi kailangan ng pagkain ko mainit. Kasi hindi wala silang gano'n kumain. Kung alala ba, wala niya, no? Parati siya. Basta Sunday fair, I make it talagang affair. Kasi maaga pa naman eh. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
I have to question, God, what's in store for him? Why has he been in jail for 15 years when he has not done anything wrong?
The recollection of Barbie dolls kasi yun ang favorite niya. Hiling niya.
How old was she na?
How
old was she?
Going 7. They're still lucky because their sons or loved ones is still alive. Unlike my family, so hindi ko na makakapiling, ala na.
Sa nakaraang 15 taon, tradisyon na sa pamilya ni dating Senador Freddie Webb na ibukod ang araw ng Linggo para sa pagdalaw kay Hubert.
Never missed, and sometimes twice a week. All birthdays, Valentine's, Christmas, New Year, we all celebrate it there. It is a must.
Habang buhay ang sentensya kay Hubert, kaugnay ng paggagahasa sa anak at pagpatay sa pamilya ni Lauro Visconde noong 1991. Higit 10 taon na siyang nakakulong sa Muntinlupa at bago nito, 5 taon sa Parañaque City Jail. Nakaapila sa Korte Suprema ang kaso ni Hubert.
It's my wife that, dictates this, and she cooks and all of that stuff.
It's only work that can keep them away from Hubert. Every Sunday yun. We are the ideal family that goes Sunday Mass and then eat out. So, in Parañaque, in Muntinlupa now, I have to make it a point that Sunday, he eats good food. Pag mainit lang ulo, wala naman. Pag sila magluto, marunong mag-serve, marunong maglabas, sana.
Kasama sa ritual ng pagdalaw kay Hubert ang pamamalengke at pagluluto ni Beth ng dadalhin na pagkain sa munti.
My wife every Sunday is awake at 5 in the morning just to be able to make sure that she buys food for Hubert. Because what we do is we carry a big load of parang freezer, a cooler. Dala-dala namin yan hanggang doon sa kulungan. Kasi para at least may pagkain siya. Kasi kakain kami ng Sunday. So may pagkain siya ng Monday, Tuesday, panayelo yon, lulutuin na lang doon. Pagkatapos Wednesday, balik na naman para magdala na naman ng pagkain for Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Kahit sa panaginip, hindi inisip ng mga Webb na darating ang panahon na ang bawat linggo at lahat ng mahalagang okasyon sa kanilang buhay iraraos nila sa kulungan.
Every day from the beginning, our lawyers have been saying, don't worry, it's never gonna go to court. Don't worry, it's only gonna take a couple of months. Don't worry, it's gonna be by the end of this year. After maybe the 12th year or something, we're like, just zip it. We won't say anything, we'll just wait.
Matingkad ang palatandaan ng lumipas na 15 taon para sa panganay na lalaki ng mga Webb. Nang mag-umpisa ang kalbaryo ni Hubert, binubuhat pa raw niya ang kanyang anak sa tuwing dumadalaw sa munti.
Yun yung parang we're walking, putting your children on your shoulders.
Ang isang anak ni Fritz, basketball player na rin ngayon, at halos kasing laki ni Jason, ang bunso sa 4 na anak na lalaki ng dating senador.
There are 52 weeks in a year, 52, right? So multiply mo yun ng 15, over 500 Sundays na kami, halos 600 na linggo na hindi para sa amin na yun.
Do you resent going there every Sunday?
Siyempre nakakapagod din, but like I said, it's very positive, no? Kung nagagalit kami na kailangan kami doon pumunta sa... There's 2 parts to it, eh. Yung isang bagay yung, bakit kami nandito? Diba? Yun yung isang bagay doon. Na bakit kami nandito, wala namang kasalanan yung kapatid ko. Yun yung masakit.
Medyo galit ka, tapos medyo naaawa ka sa sitwasyon, di ba? Pero pagtagal, lalo na ngayon, ang feeling naman namin parang it could be worse, you know? At least kami, buo yung pamilya namin, di ba?
Kahit bahagi na ng kanyang schedule ang pagdalaw kay Hubert, hindi pa rin ito madaling tanggapin para kay Beth.
Every time I walk from that gate to Hubert, I always ask the Lord, Lord, what is it? What is in store for me? Why am I doing this? Every time I ask that. So it's not routine. It's something that I offer to the Lord. Kasi I can't understand why I'm there. I cannot. For the love of me, I can't.
Ask the Lord, have you ever questioned Him?
I can't. Because, Chichi, alam mo, every time you look at Hubert, I always believe that there are a lot of innocent people in jail. And every time I look at Hubert, with all of us there, he's still one of the luckiest there. Yung iba dun, halos walang makain. Siya, mayroon siyang ina, may ama siya, may kapatid siya, may mga apo siya. So this is the strength that I give him.
Hindi raw magsasawa ang mga web sa pagdalaw kay Hubert, lalo na si Freddy.
Tingin mo kaya, kung may kasalanan yan, pupuntahan ba namin yan ng almost every Sunday? Hindi namin gagawin yun. If I was just an ordinary person, particularly if I was not a politician, then this case would not have really gotten even to first base.
Do you blame yourself?
If I were to relive my life, then certainly I would not have become a politician. Because if I was not, then my son wouldn't be in jail right now. Deep in my heart, I'm telling you, it's very painful.